Have you ever been in a moment where you were uncomfortable and lost all sense of being mindful?
Hi, I'm Ken, and I'm a kayaker.
And whether I'm kayaking in the marina or the open ocean, I have to remain mindful. Otherwise, I could find myself in danger and possibly die. Marsha Linehan created DBT, Dialectical Behavioral Therapy, as a way to gain a sense of mindfulness and find yourself being able to have coping tools to work in the moment to keep you grounded in the moment. One of the basic coping tools is the what skills. Now, the what skills have three parts: observe, describe, and participate. It's very similar to the old stop, look, and listen that you learned as a child. If you drive a car, you most likely do this all the time. You observe what's happening around you, you describe it to yourself, and then you react upon it. So we do this subconsciously in certain areas of our life, but we don't apply this to other areas. If you've ever had somebody come up and hijack your conversation, they were not practicing the what skills. So let's break it down. Observe. This means what is actually happening in the moment, what is happening around you, and what is happening inside of yourself. So around you, is there a conversation? Are you certain that the conversation is about what you think it's about? Sometimes we need to stop and listen a little bit more before diving in. And then ourselves, what's happening within us? Do we find ourselves starting to become uncomfortable? Is our heart racing? Do we find ourselves having a sense of urgency or panic? These are all things to notice. And once you can put words to these, the words can be simple like, I'm not feeling very safe right now. I'm not enjoying this moment. I need to take care of myself and get myself out of this situation. And the third part is participate. Once you have an idea of what is happening in the moment, then participate. Be a part of the moment, whatever that means. That could mean to embellish the moment. That could mean to ask for clarification if you're not certain that what's going on in the moment is actually going on. Maybe you're feeling confused and you want clarification. Or maybe you need to find yourself somewhere safe. In sea kayaking, I just don't throw my boat into the ocean and take off. I look at the surf. I assess what's happening with the tide and with the waves and with the swells. I make sure I understand what's happening with the sets of waves coming in, and I launch when I deem it's safe. This is the same action I take if I'm going into a sea cave, and the same action I take when I'm coming back into shore. By being more aware of my environment and what's going on, and having an understanding of that environment, makes my life a little easier. Hopefully this will work for you. Let me know. Until then, observe, describe, participate.